Yo, peace. I am tapping in, and I just been talking to a lot of different people, really just trying to get to the heart of the matter with AI and this change and everything going on. Now, I know y'all like, man, this guy has been using AI, all of that. I want to assure you that everything I've been doing with AI is to stabilize lessons and teachings that help humans develop metacognitive skills. If you don't know what a metacognitive skill, it is our inherent ability to recognize patterns, to understand. We could look at our own thoughts, right? We don't have to be emotionally encompassed in our thoughts. We have the ability to think about our thinking, right? And so this comes in the field of like awareness and meditation and all of those different things, but in actuality these are just faculties of our mind, right? And we have to be challenged, right? We have to allow our minds to actually go to these depths. And if we don't ask the right questions, if we don't have information in front of us that allows our conscious mind and our imagination to look forward or look down these rabbit holes in a safe way, then we never really uncover the true depths of ourselves, because our mind and our consciousness has not expanded beyond the limits of what society, of our own prophetic beliefs about ourselves, right? So me using everything that I'm doing is to help the individuals around me, of course myself, right, to not only change and transform, right, but also become the future way shapers, right? The people who question reality, not only question reality, they end up creating solutions for those questions with the people around them, right? They're already going to be A1 people that are going to be way setters, right? Way shapers. But the more important thing is I'm trying my best to build up the people that will create solutions of the future. And those people, I call them free minds of the future. If this resonates with you, if you feel inspired by this message, man, hit me up so I can help you organize your ideas into meaningful, impactful products, services, anything we need, right? Or it could be just a simple personal operating system for you, so you could evolve out of the conditions and situations that may be surrounding you, maybe having trouble with certain things, and we could get that done and get you to what's going to help you monetize your life, right? Not just clocking into a job. If you got to clock into a job, cool, keep doing that. But in this process, we will discover the things, the skills, the things about you in which can be structured to help you make extra income, passive income, right? However you want to say it. And the last thing I would say, everything changes when you finally make money off of something that you created. I promise you. So I see y'all at the finish line. I'll be in a race with some of y'all. All of that. So, I give thanks. Thank you for listening. And furthermore, those who participate, thank you and present in advance. All right. Peace.